Logging a cluster with an AI assistant usually means leaving it. You copy the output, drop it into a chat in another window, and explain where it came from every single time. What if the agent just came to you instead? Well, this is possible in Lens using Lens Prism. In order to use Prism in the past, you had to bring your own API key. Now Prism has evolved. In Lens, you're going to see in the top right corner the Configure AI button, and you can click on it. And in here, you can see all the AI tools that you could use. Lens will automatically detect if you have Claude Code, GitHub Copilot CLI, Gemini CLI, Codex CLI, and Open Code installed in your system. And in addition to that, you can use your own custom AI, or you can also choose not to use any AI as well. In my system, I only have Claude Code installed, so I'll just click on it. And now I have my AI assistant configured through Claude Code directly. So now if I go to pods, I can click on Claude Code, and this will open a terminal that has my Kubernetes cluster's context already loaded, so I can ask it things like what's happening in my cluster. And you can see it will inspect my Minikube cluster. And you can see here all the things that are happening in my cluster right now, all the errors, all the warnings, everything that is healthy and things like that. In addition to this, you can actually right-click any resource in Lens, and you can see here the button to ask Claude Code. Of course, this would change if you would have used Codex or anything else. And you can summarize, analyze events, metrics, logs, and even related resources. You don't need to do copy-pasting anymore, there is no re-explaining. The right-click actions themselves aren't actually new because Prism has had them for a while. What's new right now is that they run through the agent you bring. Bringing your own agent ships with Lens Plus Pro and Enterprise, and you can get it in the Lens version 2026.6 at lenshq.io.